House for sale by Scopas Real Estate and Construction. Located in western Paros, in the area of Butterfly Valley. Traditional stone single-level house of 130 square meters, on a plot of 4,064 square meters. It consists of 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a dubsea, a large open-plan area with living room, dining area, and kitchen. Suitable for a holiday rental investment but also for permanent residence, as there is a wood heater and installed piping system for central heating. It also features 500 square meters of garden, wooden floors, large verandas, barbecue, 15 square meters storage area, solar panels and parking. Connected to electricity and internet. Although it is connected to the water network, it also has a water tank of 20 cubic meters. Access by paved road, last 200 meters dirt road. Western orientation with unobstructed 180 views of the sea and Antiparos. 8 kilometers from the port of Paros. 5 kilometers from the airport. 1,500 meters from the sea.